Hello guys, today we are going to start with you formulas and functions. So before you start your quiz, please watch this video carefully. What I want from you first, what is a row? Row are the horizontal line of cells. If it's horizontal, like this yellow one, this is a row. Several cells together, one row. Column is a vertical line. Columns are vertical. Cell, it's a single unit, a single rectangular form where you can have some information. And how we call a cell? When you select a cell, you can see it has one column number, column letter, and row number. So this cell's name is H7. Okay, so next. All formulas in Google Sheets begin with equal sign. If you put the equal sign, the Google Sheet will say, okay, he is going to enter the formula or function. We can use normal numbers in our function formulas, or you can refer to one cell names. Okay, if you write equal 5 plus 10, it will give you 15. If you say equal A1 plus B1, he will find the A1 and B1 and sum their data inside. So selecting cells and ranges, it's very important. If you are going to select one single cell, you will press on, just write its name, yes? For example, this cell name is G17 like this. Or if you're going to select a range, you can use column like this green one. When you select this ones, it will be from I13 to I17, okay? I13 to I17. But if you want to select cells that are not adjacent to each other, not in one rectangular form, then we are going to use commas. By using comma, you can here you can select like here K13. This is M13, L15, K17. Okay, if you use commas, you can select different cells in different places. Please, when you are writing the test, try to go from left to right, then to down. Okay, when you're selecting. So for the sum, for the formula of sum, I say sum, and if I select the range from D27 to H27, sorry, it's 25. Okay, there was small problem. From D25, I moved it a bit, and H25, then the result will be 27, yes? Average. Average means from D30 to H30, the average, as you see, will be something like 5 and 0.4. Count. What does the count does? Count will give us how many numbers are in this range. If I say count everything that I have from D36 to H36, he will say, here in this range, you have only 3 numbers. If I say count A, in this range, count A will find how many cells are not free. They contain numbers or text. So as you see, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them have something inside. So count A will count them. Now count if. Count if we have used with you. In this range, you will find something that you can write here, specific number. If I say count if 5, he will say, in this range, we have only 1 5. Or you can say, count if something is greater than 10. Then he will say 12, 18, and 15. These 3 numbers are greater than 10, and he will return us 3. Sum if. Sum if is like count if, but difference is that he will find these numbers and sum them. If I say sum if there are some numbers that are greater than 10. He will say 12 plus 18 plus 15. Then he will give me 45. Max value will show us the largest number in this range. Largest number is 18. Min will give us the minimum. So minimum number is 5. If, this is very interesting, please listen carefully. What does the if does? If it's a D66, this cell, if this D66 is bigger than 10, show me high. If no, show me low. He says, if D66 is 5, then the formula will return me low because it's not greater than 10, yes? If yes66 is greater than 10, show me high, otherwise low. Is it high? Yes. So if yes66 contains 12, it will return me high. So the result of this one is low, this one is high. First option if it's correct, second if it's false. Okay? Next, we look up. This one is really interesting thing. We look up, we say, I'm looking for the bananas and want to learn its price. I say, here, let's write. We look up, okay? And I say, search banana, and this range is 2 columns. Search again, search banana, sorry. So I say, search for this content, for this banana, and this range, and return me not the number that you find in the first index, something that you find in the second column, okay? And I know that my text is not alphabetically sorted. That's why I say false. It's not alphabetical sorted. So it say your banana costs 120 something. Okay? If I change here the word, if I say apple, then he will say the apple is 80. If I say here lemon, he will say lemon is 140. Okay? If I say something different, like, oh my God, potato, then he says, no, there's no potato in this list. Okay? This is how it works. Next. Here, concatenate is a very important formula and how to work with it. Concatenate will take some cells and join them in one text. So here I say concatenate GAT, this one, and after comma, I say H81. So he will return me love Adele. Yes, he returns me love Adele. If I say concatenate H79, then add there the word don't, then GAT, okay? Then add some space because I don't want them to be slipped together. Now, G79, sorry, GAT, G79. So you will get, you don't love April, okay? You don't love April, and one space between. If I don't use any spaces, you can connect more than 2 cells like H81, GAT, and H79. So Adele love you. Oh, Adele love, sorry, you. So this is how it works. Concatenate. Today, it's very simple. If you write today, he will give you today's date. Okay? Today, he gives me the date. if I say now, it gives me what the time it is now. Okay, this is how it works. So have a nice day and please do your quiz.